Marsha has now come back for her breakfast. She shooed off the other seagulls and she's just shooed one from the garden. She's not starving. She wants her breakfast, but she wants to eat it in stages, and whilst she's digesting she wants to hang around and wait to digest before she has some more food. Now Marsha and I met at the end of August. Seagulls were coming along and eating, and some were getting tame, and Marsha just hung around, and I noticed that she was the tamest of the birds. Plus she was very, very young, born this year, and I thought that because she's so young I could tame her. So this is the very early stages. This is the first video, and as I'm hoping to feed her for a few years, I'll eventually get her into the house like I did with Sandor. But I'm optimistic that she's going to stay with me, because I was overseas for 3.5 weeks and she's still here, and the other seagulls that I used to feed aren't here anymore. So Marsha and me are hopefully going to make a lot of videos and entertain the children. She landed on the garage roof when I was inside, and when she's on the bungalow roof, where she likes to have a good view of the area, she runs down the roof when she sees me laying some food on the lawn, which could be Hovis brown bread, or in this case for breakfast she's had a Tesco chicken. I think she's going to be a great friend and an asset to YouTube channel. And I like the way she uses the fixtures in the garden. And she's gone away.